Step-by-step guide to creating a comprehensive estate plan. In this video, we will discuss how to create a comprehensive estate plan, covering key steps and common mistakes to avoid. Creating an estate plan is crucial to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes and your loved ones are taken care of after you're gone. Let's start by looking at the key components of an estate plan. First, we have wills. A will is a legal document that specifies how your assets will be distributed after your death and can also name guardians for minor children. Next, we have trusts. Trusts can help avoid probate, reduce estate taxes, and manage your assets if you become incapacitated. There are various types of trusts, including revocable, irrevocable, and charitable trusts. Powers of attorney are another important component. These documents allow you to appoint someone to manage your affairs if you are unable to do so. Healthcare directives, such as living wills and healthcare powers of attorney, let you specify your healthcare preferences and appoint someone to make medical decisions on your behalf. Beneficiary designations on assets like life insurance policies and retirement accounts take precedence over what's stated in a will, so keeping them up to date is crucial. For business owners, business succession planning ensures a smooth transition of your business after your death. Now, let's go through the steps to create an estate plan. First, assess your assets. Make a comprehensive list of everything you own, including real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal property. Next, determine your goals. Identify what you want to achieve with your estate plan, such as providing for your family, minimizing taxes, and making charitable donations. Consulting an experienced attorney is crucial to ensure your estate plan is legally sound and tailored to your needs. Draft your documents, including your will, trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives, and ensure they are properly signed and witnessed. Regularly review and update your estate plan, especially after major life events, to ensure it remains current and effective. Communicate your plan to your loved ones and any appointed agents. Provide them with the necessary documents and instructions to ensure your wishes are carried out smoothly. Let's now address some common mistakes to avoid in estate planning. Not having a plan at all is the biggest mistake. Without a plan, state laws will determine how your assets are distributed, which may not reflect your wishes. Failing to update your plan can lead to unintended consequences. Ensure your plan reflects your current circumstances and wishes. Overlooking digital assets like online accounts and cryptocurrencies can be problematic. Make sure your executor knows how to access these assets. Ignoring tax implications can result in significant portions of your assets being lost to taxes. Proper planning can help minimize these taxes. Not planning for incapacity is another common mistake. Include durable powers of attorney and healthcare directives in your plan. Not naming contingent beneficiaries can create issues if your primary beneficiary predeceases you or is unable to inherit. Choosing the wrong executor or trustee can lead to mismanagement and disputes. Select someone responsible and capable. Not considering long-term care needs can deplete your assets. Plan for potential long-term care expenses. Lack of coordination with financial plans can undermine your estate plan. Ensure your estate planning documents align with your financial goals. Neglecting to plan for business succession can disrupt your business. Create a clear plan for what will happen to your business after your death. There are additional considerations to enhance your estate plan. Charitable giving can provide tax benefits and support causes you care about. Special needs planning ensures your loved ones with special needs are provided for without jeopardizing their eligibility for government benefits. Pet trusts ensure your pets are taken care of after you're gone. Estate tax planning is essential for larger estates to minimize the impact of estate taxes. Digital estate planning includes your online accounts and digital currencies to ensure they are accessible and managed properly. Creating a comprehensive estate plan is a crucial step in protecting your legacy and providing for your loved ones. Contact a professional to help you navigate this complex process with confidence and peace of mind.